I'm making my hot cookie dough and ice cream recipe perfect for a cast iron pan. Now, I think often people, when they think cast iron, they think savory, but no, cast iron is perfect for baking. So, first thing I'm going to start off with is some good old butter, and then to that, I'm going to add some muscovado sugar, and this is going to make it rich, give it a slight kind of saltiness, like there's a savoriness about really dark sugar, and then give that a really good mix. So once the butter and the sugar have mixed in really well, let's add some of our wet ingredients. So we're going to add some vanilla bean paste, and this stuff is like, it's intense vanilla with all the little black seeds in it. And then to that we're going to add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and again give that a really good mix. Okay, so wet ingredients are done, and now in with our dry ingredients. We've got some flour, get that in there, bicarb, a good pinch of salt, and then give that again another really good mix. Okay, so chocolate chips, and now some white chocolate chips. And now use all the strength you have to mix this dough so all the chocolate chips are evenly distributed. And try not to eat it straight out of the bowl. That's the hardest bit. And now we're going to take our cookie dough, drop it straight into our cast iron pan. And this is what I love about baking in cast iron. Not only is it going to give us a gorgeous kind of golden even bake, but I can serve it right in the pan. So I've leveled off the cookie dough. Now it's straight into the oven. Cast iron, heavy, yes, but no, helper handle. It's not heavy anymore. Hot cookie dough needs only one thing. Big dollop of ice cream in the middle, and we've got hot cookie dough, cold ice cream in our perfect, ready to serve cast iron pan.